Hi, welcome to Extra Mile Weight Loss 110 Steps Weight Loss Workshop Summary. This is week 5. My name is Peter Kenyon. I'm a weight loss coach teaching people the skills to lose weight and then go on to use those skills to help others to lose weight and perhaps develop an income from their new lifestyle. This week is week 5 of Ron's membership workshop, 110 Steps. And if you're not currently a member, then this is the information you're missing out on. This week, we looked at food labels on packaged foods to help you better understand how to interpret the information that's presented to you. We looked at what are food labels, why we have them, and how do we use them to improve our lifestyle. We also looked at other things found on food packaging, like use by dates and best by dates. And what does it mean when a food is light or reduced in some ingredient? This is week 5 of the 110 Steps workshop. Now, if you'd like to participate on this self-paced learning program, all you have to do is this. Go to the Extra Mile Weight Loss website. Go to stage 3 to enroll. It's going to cost you $50 a year, and that'll give you 1 year's enrollment, and where you'll receive all 3 weight loss workshops, plus so much more. Now, there's over 13 hours of content on this course delivered to you in bite-sized pieces throughout the week. Or you can go to the website and contact me for more information. Before you go, could you do me a favor? Could you go to the comments section and tag someone you know who needs help with their weight loss program? Or you could simply hit that like button and share. Thanks. I'll see you next week with week 6 summary of the 110 Steps Weight Loss Program.